future boyfriend, kung gusto dyan kang na mag-uyanta, sige i-replay lang ning.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna explore some temples here in Cambodia and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna buy the ticket. I got mine guys, and actually I'm so pretty. I love it. Guwapa kasi Apet. Yes, it's $20 for one day. So 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I got my ticket. So I'm going to, like, this is the ticket. Yeah, $20 for one day. Adto ako sa mga temple. I've been to other temples, but this one I don't know. I need akong gusto nga adtuan na temple because this is my second time here in Cambodia. I've been to Angkor what? So guys, gabaklay lang ko padong sa temple and kani siya mo na gusto kay kumuari dari kay kanang dari gi-shoot or ni ani si Angelina Jolie before, and I think nag-shoot siya dari og movie before, so I'm so curious about this temple. Gusto na ko nga makita na ni. I can't miss this one. This is one of the reason why I want to come here in Cambodia again, so I'm so excited. Let's go. na kapag something like that diba na yung kanang tree or sige ko picture bongga niyan daw si Angelina Jolie before o nani siya sa mga magazine sige kung hindi siya pakitan sa mga magazine. Sa temple nga akong gusto atuan before and I think I need some water and I need some fresh mango shake. Let's find more temples. I've heard that daghan kaayo temples dali. Walang ko kabalo, walang ko before naman may tour guide. But now since I can't afford a tour guide, I'm just gonna tour all by myself. Bito guys, sige guys. See you later on. Hi guys, nanasad ko, padungasad ko sa lain nga temple. Lain na temple, wala na ko na siya naaduan before. Kaya mo lagi isa ra ko naaduan before, katorang Angkor Wat. I'm just gonna show you the Angkor Wat, the famous temple and the biggest one and the oldest as well. So I'm gonna go there na lang straight, then that's about it. Ano siya, wala kay siya turista dere. Kamay ra ang mga turista dere, maybe because it's just a small temple. Basta daghan makay temples dere. Ikapoy naman ganay kog tan-aw. Actually pare-pareha lang naman ang mga temples dere. Naigagmay, naidagko. So, that's the temple. Angkor Wat, ang oldest temple here in Cambodia. I think kumusunod kay I've been there and dako kay tanan kana siya taas kana siya nga baklayon, then after that may pakay baklayon dito sa sulod kay nanapod ka taas. So and I'm sorry I cannot go kay kapoy na jud ko kay nato ko sa mga sa ubang temple as you know. So yeah, that's it. See you guys, hi kasanan. So that will be all for today. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog. Don't forget me, please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And so much and thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.